Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nkonya, aka Ndi Naija. Ja, 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 ja. Whoa. Yes, it's Happy Mail time. Time for some Happy Mail. The first one on the top here is my Oso paper subscription. And this is the thing I got from NOTIQ, which I told you guys I was going to show you. So I'm gonna head off camera right now, take all the packaging out, and I will be right back. Yo, I could not wait. I could not wait to get this out of the package. Can y'all see this? Can y'all see this? Can y'all see this? Can y'all see this? Like, for real though. Wait. And I am not really a binder person. But look at the colors, okay? Just look at the colors, okay? Look at. If you don't have an Oso paper subscription, you might want to go get yourself one now. So there's a pen. It's beautiful. I'm quite sure it's black. Let's see here. Indeed, it is black. Here's the proof. Voila, it is black. All right. And the next item, we have our sticker of the month. Where are you going, honey? Oh, I love her. Oh, look at the locks. Look at the locks. Or as we call them back home, dreads. I love it. Magnet. Summer in the city. I dream of summers. Meanwhile, I'm going to try to get this off because I love the sticker. I want this sticker. Like, I want the sticker, okay? So, May 2021, summer in the city. Yes, we're getting out of COVID lockdowns and restrictions. Please. If people would just wear their masks and get their vaccines and such. So what's inside? 10-page sticker book, sticker of the month, quote sticker, magnet, postcard, and mystery item. Wait, let's read that. Let's read that again, considering what we see here. 10-page sticker book. Oh, it's now bigger. Oh my gosh. 10-page sticker book. Okay. Sticker of the month. That's that. Quote sticker, which is this. Magnet, which is this. Postcard, which is this. Mystery item. Should it be mystery item or mystery items? Take a selfie with your Oso paper pink envelope. Upload the picture to our Facebook page or post it on Instagram with the hashtag Oso paper. Email the picture. I feel like I saw it. Oh, this is supposed to be the pink envelope. Okay, cool. Because we didn't get one. And then scratch here to reveal your subscribers only passcode to access the coupon on the site. And there are some items that are only open to subscribers to purchase. So there, it helps to be a subscriber. Love it. We have two mystery items. The pen is one of the mystery items because see, the pen and the cover. And I am not even. Let's see what it will fit. Will you fit this notebook? Not quite. Is it because of the discs or is it because of this cover? So if I didn't have this cover on this planner, I could probably use it. Yeah, I would say it's half letter as opposed to like a Happy Planner Mini. It's more half letter, as you can see that this fits. So maybe if I put a poly cover, and I do have something with a poly cover. Can't find it at the moment. I have been trying to reorganize my area, but we won't get into that now. The sticker book! Ooh. I'm so excited about stickers. Yes, why not? Whatever gives you pleasure and is good for you, because those two things are not always the same. We have Tamika. The coloring seems to have changed a smidge. Get out of your own way, your adventure waits. Fiona, I love that they're now all together. So we have two big ones, two small. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love that we have two big ones instead of just one. Hello, vacation. Cynthia, I love your hair, boo. Gigi, okay, Bob. I see you, Bob. Janelle, I see you. You know what? No. We've got some icons. We have the everyday girl who is Faye. And the boxes, look, it matches. It matches. It matches. It matches. Hey, brown girl, you're beautiful. Yes. Yes, in the city. We've got a few headers. Functional boxes. More functional boxes. This is actually two stickers. So you have this one here, and then you have this one. That's the destination box. This is a city. Oh, this city skyline. Love it. We've got some washi and some arrows. The feel of the stickers changes. Like this one feels more glossy. These two feel more glossy. While this one is also the glossy-ish type. Glossy-ish. This is more paper. And then this is more glossy-ish again. Catch flights, not feelings. Ow! This is transparent. Meal plan, note to self, payday bill due. This is for June. Father's Day, hot air balloon day, sunglasses day, Juneteenth. I dream of summers that last forever. Not in Texas. It's too hot. It's too hot. And we've got an arrow with a destination. Girls going on trips. Catch flights, not feelings. Get your money, yo. We going where the money reside. All right. And now, Zoe. More icons. Weekend stickers. Somewhere in the city. Counting 1 to 7. Maybe a countdown. Day 7. 7 days before your vacation. And such as and such like. And my favorite boxes of all from Oso Paper. These. If you do not like this page in your sticker book, send it to me, please. All right. And that's it for Oso Paper. I'll be right back with the NOTIQ stuff. And here's the stuff from NOTIQ. This paper. This key. Oh, and she has a note in this vellum envelope. Her stuff is always packed just so beautifully. So beautifully. Oh, she has a note in here. Are these sticky notes? These are like the notes you get from a hotel. So this is a notepad. Y'all, the paper is thick. Even the paper that she uses to pack her orders, it feels like high-end resume paper. It's very nice. Very nice. You're making an impact. Thank you for choosing to shop with me. Aw, we're making dreams come true. Yes. Yes. Thanks, VJ. Free gift right there. Love it. And I got the Nunu. The Nunu. I got the Nunu. See, you have, first of all, look at the packaging. Look at the material. You've got this paper. And then you have the dust bag. I shall now open the dust bag. Simple, easy. Love the color. I hope it's not coming off as pink on your screens. It is not pink at all. It is tan, mauve. It's a very nice adult color. And then look at that. Gorgeous. Gorgeous, darling. Gorgeous. I need a picture of that. Gorgeous. Look at it. Look at it. I asked for this. What was this? I bought this. The name is the Stone Cloud Croco Luxe Executive Notebook. I requested that it be customized with their ivory daily sheets because normally these would come with their pink notebook paper. As you guys know, I don't really do pink. Not all the time. Okay, not a lot. Fine, just some of the time I do pink. Whatever. And yes, I wanted something to change from the black that I have been using since the beginning of the year. And I'm in love. Ooh. Were all of them? Oh, wow. And they gave me all daily brief sheets. I thought I would get some more note paper, but I wasn't specific. I wasn't exactly specific, which is fine. I love the paper. I love the color of the paper. I love this ivory. I love that it goes, look at it, all the way from 5 a.m. to 11 p.m. And then you still have space here for your meals. You have top targets, looks and outfits, tasks and to-dos, phone calls and follow-ups, reminders and improvements. And then you have where you can put your day. And it says daily brief and notes. And it didn't come with a year at a glance. Yeah, it doesn't really matter because I already have the months for 2021, but this is so much. I wonder if it's up to a year. I am unsure. But anyway, I love it. Looks and outfits, I don't know. It can be easily covered up with a sticker, covered up with washi, and you could have, say, a focus for your morning and for your evening. This top targets is basically your top 3 for the day. Tasks and to-dos, we know what that is. Phone calls and follow-ups. I like this section. If you need to get back with someone about something, nice place to put it. If you need to say this is for tomorrow, next week, whatever, you put it in here. Makes very good use of the page. It's all the same. The discs are not as pink as I expected, but that ain't no problem. That ain't no problem. It's rose gold on the website, but I have some... The discs I have are a little too pink. I will show you guys what I was thinking about on the Saturday Morning Live. Join me. Oh, I forgot. I shall not be having a Saturday Morning Live because I am working on Saturday. I told you guys that. Anyway, all right. That's it for NOTIQ. All right, guys. Thank you so much for joining me in this video showing my haul, my Oso Paper May monthly subscription box, and my new notebook from NOTIQ with the new Stone Cloud Croco Luxe cover. Isn't she gorgeous? Gorgeous. So thanks so much for watching. Hope to catch you on the next one. Like the video, subscribe, and tell me what is your favorite in all of this.